Okay, this is a Word module number 8, customizing Word and automating your work. So scroll down, here is a practice review assignment. Okay, first of all, this time let's open this template. So go to your working folder, the 8-3, open it. This is a DOTX. DOTX, the file extension is different. Now as you open it, the file name is different, right? This is just a template. So I will copy this template, save this template as, and then navigate to your working folder. Navigate to your working folder. And then look at this. This is important. Save the file type as macro enabled template. Okay, we're gonna save this template as macro enabled template. So the file extension name is DOTM. M stands for probably macro, right? And then the file name is, okay, let me go to the working folder, C drive. Okay, make sure to select your working folder. The file name is np_wd_8 4. Okay, 4. Okay, make sure you are in the working folder. Okay, working folder. Save it. Then go back to your working folder if it is correct. So yes, we do have this file name in my working folder. Yes. Good. So we just open template and save that template as macro enabled template in our working folder. Okay, now insert a rectangular shape. So click insert. Okay, click the shapes arrow and we will select this rectangle, and draw a rectangle, something like this. And then we will change the size. So click the size arrow on the right, and the height will be 1.5 inches. Tab key, and the width will be 8.5 inches. Okay. So why don't we change the view to a print layout? Just print layout. Then move around like this. Move it around. So you can put it on top of the top of this document. Okay, and then in the shape, okay, type Alexander. Okay, type Alexander Griffin Rock Gym. Enter. Student alumni event registration. Okay, now position the shape so it is aligned with the center. So just move it. So click the boundary and then move it on the top and center it. Okay, change the fill color. Okay, now change the fill color. So click the format tab. Here is the shape fill. Fill color with what? Brown accent 5. So you see brown accent 5, brown, yellow background, brown accent 2, 3, 4, 5. So brown accent 5, this one. Okay. And then with the linear down gradient. Okay. Okay, fill the shape. Gradient, and then it should be linear down. Okay, linear down is this icon. So this one is the dark variation, so this icon. So we changed it into this gradient type, and remove the shape outline. So shape outlines, click the shape outline arrow, and then we will remove the outline. So no outline. Copy the style. Okay, now, okay, company name, look at this. In the home tab, you click any place. home tab, the style, we don't have any, this is normal, and the heading 1, heading 2, and so on. So we're supposed to have a company name style, but this one is in a different document, template. So why don't we open this file, new style. So go to your student data files folder. Here is new styles. So click this one, double click it, open it. Okay, this one has nothing, but this one has some style. So look at this. Here is the company style, right? Company style. So we want to copy this one into our form document so that we will have custom style over there. So in order to copy this, we can do this way. Click this style dialog box launcher, this button, and this one is, okay, click the company name. That's okay. Just click this manage style, and then scroll this up. Then you see company name, right? Company name. So we will export this company name. So click this company name and lower left corner of this dialog box, click import and export. Import and export. So we're gonna copy this. Copy the company name. So select the company name on the left side, and then copy to the right. And then this is normal.dotm file. So we just copied it, and then okay, this is normal, right? Normal. We will delete this one later on, so it's okay. You just copy it and then close. Close. All right. Okay, and then go to your form. And then we will import. So click this Styles dialog box launcher, and then click this one, manage style, and then import. So since we have this company name on the right, this is a normal file, so copy this to the left. So our form document will contain this company name. Okay, and then on the right side, click this company name on the right side. So after you copy to the left, select the company name on the right, and we don't need this. So we will remove this one. We can click this and then delete. Okay, and then click OK. All right, probably we should have done. Okay, I think this is okay. Right. So we have this one, right? This company. So we have a company style. All right, next, change the text color. Okay, copy this and then apply to all the text in the rectangle. So why don't we select these two lines and then click this company style. All right. Okay, change the text color. Okay, so select the text color of the second line. Select the second line. Then light yellow background. Text color. Is this text color? Yellow light background. Is this yellow light background too? Yes. Change to this one. And change the stylistic set to the third set. Okay, stylist set is in this arrow. This is, click this one, this arrow. This is text effect. And the stylistic set is at the bottom. Then we will select the third one, right? Select the third set in the individual. So select this third one. Okay. Add a custom paragraph border below the paragraph contact number. Okay. Okay, so why don't we select the contact number at the end of the contact number. Okay, why don't we select this contact number arrow, just like this. Okay, so select this contact number, and then we will insert a border. So click the border arrow, the bottom, select the bottom one, borders and shading. Okay, so we will do a custom border. So click the custom border, and then we will put the border at the bottom. So click this one. So you will see a line here, and then the border style will be this one. Select this, and then the width will be 1.5 point, 1.5 point, and this will be applied to the paragraph. And then options is, okay, after the bottom, between the bottom of this paragraph, we will have 8 points. So there will be a 8 point between the paragraph and the border. Click OK. So make sure this one is over here. Okay, select this, and then make sure this color, the line at the bottom is same as this one, the 1.5 point. Click OK. So we have this this line at the bottom of this contact number. Insert another rectangle, shape 2. Okay, so insert another rectangle. So go to the shape and then arrow. Why don't we select some air like this, some press S like this, and then change the size. So height is 2 inches, and then tab key, the width is 8.5. Alright, move it somewhere like this. Okay, align the vertically. Okay, so we can align this one using the position. Vertically at the bottom, right? At the bottom of the page, and horizontally with the center. So select this. So this one is aligned bottom center. Okay, remove the shape outline. So make sure select this box rectangle, and then outline is no outline. Set it to no outline. Alright, and then fill the shape with the picture in the file. Okay, the picture will be the people. So we can insert. So click the shape fill. Okay, now we're gonna fill the shape with the picture. So click the pictures, and then we have the file. So click browse, navigate to your to your student data files folder. Student data files. This is 8 review. Okay, this is people. So click people. And then this file is fit into this rectangle. So we need to change this one. Okay, so go to your format tab on the right side, and here's a crop. Click the crop. We will change. Okay, let's try this fill, and then you can move this one so that the top of the picture aligns to the top of the rectangle, and then click this crop. Okay, so this is much better. Okay, and then compress the photo. Okay, we can compress the photo. So here is, look at this, in the adjust group, look at this icon. Put your icons on this mouse cursor on this. This is compressed pictures. And then click this one. So from this we can compress the picture size to email. So we can reduce the document size, because the original size, the original picture file is large. It is a large file size. So you can change to smaller size. So click this, and then OK. So actually the file size is reduced by doing this. Okay, remove the cropped area. Remove the cropped area. So it's already removed, right? Removed. Good. Okay, next. Save this. This is a template, right? Form template. Okay, now close new style template. The new style template is this blank file, isn't it? So delete. I'm gonna just close it. Okay, and then show all properties. So go to the File tab, Info. Here is Properties. So click Properties and the Advanced Properties. Then from here, okay, show all properties on the info screen. Then add this one as the manager. So Sam, how do you read it? How do you read this? Sam Guen as a manager, and then events as the category properties. Here, events, and add the custom document property. So custom document property, click the custom, and the name is checked by, and the value. Okay, your name as the value. Checked by, the value is your name. Checked by your name. And then edit. So our document has this information. Okay. And then go back. Okay, now in the footer, type checked by. The footer is, where is the footer? Okay, this is the footer. So double click the footer. Then type checked by, spacebar, and then we want to insert the custom property checked by. So we're gonna insert. Okay, so we will click the quick parts. Okay, here is the. Okay, let's check this one. Property, document property, and we will insert check by. We don't have it here, so click the building block, try field, and then select document information. From this document information, okay, document property. Okay, document property has checked by. Right, checked by. So select this checked by and then click OK. Right, and then enter, hit enter. Okay, approved by, spacebar. Then we will do the same thing, manager property. So go to the quick parts, field, document property. Make sure this is the document information, and the document property, and this one is the manager, right? Manager. Okay, so the manager is Sam. Okay, and then double click, and then just close the header and footer. Okay, in the paragraph containing current date. Okay, let's show the rule bar, the ruler. So click the view tab. Okay, check ruler. So this is the 2.5 tab, right? So click tab key. You don't have to put tab key, so just click here, click over here. So the cursor is right below this tab. Okay, and then insert date field. Okay, date field. So click insert tab. Date field is this one, isn't it? So insert date, and the date should be something like this: month, day, and year. First, month, day, year. The month, day, year. This one. Click OK. But we need to show time as well. So why don't you click this date again, and then right click, edit field. So look at this. This is the format. So we will add time format. This one, time format. So which one is the time format? Isn't it this one? This is time format, right? So why don't we select this one, this format, and then copy. Control C, copy, Control C, and then go back to this, and then hit spacebar and Control V. Spacebar and the Control V. So we added this format. Okay, hour, minute, AM or PM. Okay, click OK. Alright. So we just updated the date here. Okay, and then add the following fill-in field. Okay, remember. Okay, preserve formatting checkbox. Okay, deselect. Okay, so for the date. Okay, for the date, so click this one. Click over here and then insert. Okay, we will do the same thing. This is a quick part, right? Quick part arrow, field. And then, okay, this is a fill-in field. Okay, fill-in field. So fill-in is in F. So click F. Here, click F. And then scroll a little bit down. So here's a fill-in field. So click this one. And the prompt will be event, enter event date. It says to deselect preserve formatting. Okay, click OK. And then enter event date. You don't, okay, we will just click OK, because once you open this file, it will automatically ask you to enter. So in this case, we don't need to type it, just click OK. And then student alumni name. So we will do the same thing. So click here, and then quick parts field, type F, scroll down a little bit, and then here's fill in prompt. Okay, enter student alumnus name. Deselect. Okay. You don't have to type this one, so click OK, and then select the next one. And then do the same thing. Field, scroll down, and then fill in prompt is contact number. Sorry, and enter. All right, and then click OK. Okay, now translate. Okay, we have this one, this placeholder. So we're gonna translate information of required deposits into Spanish and Chinese and Vietnamese and so on. So why don't we copy this one? Copy and then paste it. And then select the next line. So let's translate this. So translate should be in review tab. Okay, review tab and then language arrow. Translate. So we want to translate selected text. So once we select this text and then yes. Okay, so let's change this one, translate it. So first of all, let's translate this one into Spanish. So change this one into Spanish. Okay, and then insert. Hit enter. Alright, next. Okay, translate to Chinese, simplified. Okay, go to Chinese. Where is it? Here's China. We have only China, so select this and then insert. Alright, and then enter. Okay, next is Vietnamese. So click the two arrow and then Vietnamese, then insert. Okay, hit enter. Oh, I think that's it. Okay, change the, all right, here, then close it. Proofreading, okay, proofreading, all right, so you know, if there is, if a word is not spelled correctly, then you can do spell check, right, spell check, spelling check. So make sure this one does not have any misspelling information. Okay, and then we will insert watermark. Okay, so the watermark should be in the design tab. Design tab, here's a watermark. Okay, the watermark is sample. Here's a sample. And then diagonal, right? Sample, diagonal. So sample arranged diagonally across the page. Select this sample. So bookmark is inserted in this page, in this document. All right, and then change your macro security setting. Okay, security setting is this one. So go to the file tab. So when we use a macro, we can change the settings. So go to the options and then trust center, the bottom. Click this trust center settings and look at this. Okay, disable all macros with notification. So you will show a notification to disable. So make sure this is selected. Okay. Okay, now record a macro name, insert web page address. So now let's do the macro. So macro is should be in the view tab. Okay, view tab. Okay, macros arrow. Okay, we want to record a macro. Okay, macro is this. You know, the macro records some certain steps of your feature. So you are changing font size, bold type. So whatever you change to this document, and they can be recorded, so that you can do this by using this macro. You don't have to do it again and again. So anyway, let's try what happens. So click record macro, and the macro name is insert web page address, and then type insert rock gym web page address in header as the description, and then the keyboard. So once we click a shortcut key, then this macro will automatically run. So let's try this. Okay, keyboard. Do you want to press just macro? Yes. If we have this one, yes. So the press. Okay, look at this. The insertion point is blinking at this point. So hold down the Control Alt Shift and then letter B. Okay. So make sure you hold down the Alt, Control, Shift, and the keyboard B, and then assign. So once we apply this, then this macro will run automatically. Okay, click close. Okay, so these are the macros that will be recorded. So let's do step by step. Okay, look at this. This is stop button. Stop button. So now these four steps, A, B, C, D will be recorded, and then once we click the stop button, then the recording will actually stop. So click the insert tab. Okay, insert tab, and click the header button. Insert tab, header, and then edit header, and then click the insert tab again. In the text group, click the quick part button, and then shoot, I think we skipped something. We're supposed to have this one, but I think we skipped this part somewhere. Okay, so why don't you click this stop button, and let's try this one. We don't have this. 이거 어디 갔어?